ASC is a mechanism through which companies set strategic goals and continuously improve. ASC connects strategy execution with continuous improvement. So the way it works is if you look at the spectrum of how companies execute their strategies from left to right, the epitome is everybody improving something important every day, right? On the x-axis, you got percent of workforce engaged from 0 to 100%. How many people are truly engaged, plugged in, understand their role in making the company successful? 0 to 100. On the y-axis, you got frequency of improvement from never improving to daily improvement. So again, you're getting everybody every day. At the most basic level, you got no strategy execution. That's no goals, no execution. It's just straight up firefighting survival mode. One step up from that is like the lone wolf CEO. They have some vague goals in their mind, and everybody else just kind of waits on direction on what to do. One step up from that is OGSMs, objectives, goals, strategies, and measures, OGSTs, Hoshin Conries in that. You got 3 or more goals per manager and sometimes department level. It's mostly project based, but then you got annual, semi-annual, and at best quarterly reviews. So you're inching toward, that everybody every day direction. One step up from that is OKRs. This is getting more and more prevalent in the tech industry and even getting beyond tech a little bit, where you're setting 3 to 5 annual goals down to the supervisor level. So again, you're roping in more people. But then the review cycles on that are quarterly and at best monthly, right? So again, you're getting toward everybody every day. And then at the peak, you got what we call agile strategy execution. And this is marked by one goal defined per person all the way down to the frontline level. And that's a stark departure from the traditional models where, everybody's carrying multiple goals and they got long deadlines to get them all done. So one goal per person, everybody involved, and then you got weekly or daily improvement cycles, meaning you're truly getting toward everybody every day. So let's break down how that works. So before we get into the mechanics of how to get goals set, aligned throughout the organization, I want to introduce this process. It's called the FIT process. It's a lot like PDCA, but it's actually more aligned with the scientific method. FIT is an acronym, stands for focus on what's most important to improve. So you have a strategic directive, right? Iterate towards your goal. And the key word there is iteration, one improvement after another, and then track your progress along the way. Right, you gotta be objective about how things are really going.